Is a tankless water heater dangerous? This is a commonly asked question by water heater users. Any appliance we use at home can be dangerous if we do not follow the safety instructions. What are the concerns? Carbon monoxide. We all know that carbon monoxide is a toxic gas. This gas is produced during combustion of natural gas when the heater burns its fuel to generate heat. If there is any leakage in the pipeline, the toxic gas might diffuse to the entire house and cause serious health hazard. How to mitigate the danger? Install your water heater with proper care. Make sure that you have kept no leakage. If you are not good at plumbing, call a professional. You should keep any gas-run appliance under regular maintenance. Check the instruction manual to find out the frequency of preventive maintenance. Use outdoor water heater if you are too much concerned about your safety. You can also use electric tankless water heater which is not run by natural gas. Therefore, no chance of gas leakage. You should follow these instructions to keep yourself safe. I think now you know about the concern and can take proper action for your safety. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Have a good day.